Okay, so at the moment I've just insulated these with some heat shrink sleeving. I've extended this one, the white. I'm going to extend this black. It's a bit short, and this one I'm going to crimp. I'll put a black wire on it as well. Okay, let's crack on then. Yep, so soldered it all up. Re-put the rubber grommet back on. Let's see. And next thing is I've checked the resistance. It's all good. So I'm hoping that when we put the bike back together, this will be okay to use. If not, I'll be looking to source a new one. So I'm just removing the headstock bearing, the old one, which had the ball bearings on it. There we go. Oh, remnants of the old one. So we'll be using them. Right, give that a clean up, paint this, and put the new bearings on. Yeah, so the bottom yoke's cleaned up, ready to put the bearings on, and I painted the bottom yoke. Looks okay. Shocks have arrived, but I haven't got the bolts. New bolts haven't arrived for them. Went for that. I've also put the swinging arms in, and the taper bearing cups are in, top and bottom. That's the bearings all greased up, ready to go in. So yeah, I'm happy with that so far. So I've just taken the air filter housing and the battery box cover or cradle. Take that off, get it all blasted, and then repainted. So it'll come up looking as good as new, I hope. So we've got a few items back from the paint. The air box, air filter housing, and battery bracket. Those, that's pretty good. Looks like new. The mud guard back, that looks pretty good. Brake torque arm. Battery cover, that's pretty good. Filter cover. It's pretty good now, isn't it? That's the ignition barrel housing, but it's a bit lumpy, but it's better than it was. These are the two brackets for the engine, top mounts. That's the side stand. And the other side stand. Okay, so that's both. Yeah, they come out pretty well. Pretty good. These are the battery cover. Come out nice. Yeah, I paid 60 quid to get all this done, and I'm quite happy to pay that. I could have done it with a paint can, ever so on my own, but would I have done the same? I don't know, maybe not. So yeah, pleased.